Okay.
Hello, it's Jeannie from Hoot-n-Annies again, and yesterday I thought that I was going to um, stain half of this and paint the other half and then put the metal piece in there, but changed my mind. My husband helped me change it, and I'm glad he did. He sanded it down really, really good. I mean, it's so nice and smooth. And this stain back here, we just can't get it off. I don't know if it was from that first stripper that I tried to use, because this is where I started with, and I don't know if that stained it, because it seems funny that this is stained and the rest isn't. And now I'm stripping the drawers, and I'm going to put those back in. And we went ahead, well, Jim did. We went ahead and put little 2-inch legs on it, because I thought it wouldn't look so much like a side table in the bedroom. So we put the feet on that, and I think it looks more like a kitchen cabinet that way. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not, I don't know. And then, that's my dog, Abby. And I just bought this piece here today, and I love it. It's in pretty good shape. There's some marks on it, and looks like the top's been fixed, but it's good and solid. She calls it a nightstand. I think it's a commode, a chamber pot thing. She said she's had it for 40 years. She's an older lady, I don't know. And that these were all original stuff. Yeah, the drawers are going to need some cleaning up and stuff. But what I need to know, and I'd like your guys' help, should I paint this, or should I just take some good oil, furniture oil, and clean it up and shine it up, maybe put some wax on it, furniture wax. I got a clear furniture wax that I use that I really like. I can't think of the name of it right now. Could be Annie Sloan. It's clear. And maybe polish these up a little bit, or should I paint it white and take this look off? I don't know, you know, I'm at that decision where should I leave it like it's supposed to be, a chamber pot holder, or should I make it look more like a kitchen? I could use my Cricut and put words here or something. I don't know. That's what I'm going to do here with that. I was going to put that metal piece in here, that gray or that tin piece, but I decided against it, and I'm going to put a couple of coats of paint on this, white paint. I think that'll cover it up. And then I'm going to write something out with my Cricut and put back here. And I think it'll be really cute. But I'm just on the fence about this piece here. So if you'd let me know what you think. I always could use the help. Jim if you want to show them the other piece I'm working on, turn the camera. I'm stripping that piece down. It has a door in it that had glass in it. Okay, I know, okay, that's probably good enough. I know that I had too many pies in the oven to wash. I got quite a few projects going here. But when I seen this for sale, I couldn't pass it up, and I got it for a steal. And love this piece. So I don't know, but I need your help, and I need your likes, thumbs up, and subscribe, so I can stay on here. It hurts my little heart when no one's subscribing. And I hope you all have a good day, and God blesses you. Bye.